Okay, hi everyone. See you again. Okay, this time we are going to learn how to analyze categorical data using SPSS. Okay, the type of categorical data that I'm talking about is this column. Okay, here if we see the writing here, this item is referring to what are the sources of your income. So what I do is I'm highlighting. Okay, I'm not going to take all respondents. I'm going to take up to 50 respondents only. I copy and I put in a blank sheet that is here and I paste. Now I expand this column a little bit so that I get a clearer picture, an idea on the inputs given by the respondent. Okay, now if we observe here the answers or the input given by respondents, there are more than one sources of income. This one only one source, that is from parents, and the rest many sources. This is multiple, that is more than one, and so on. For data like this, how do we record it and how do we analyze it? What you have to do is you have to refer back to your original questionnaire. Okay, this is the arrangement. Okay, meaning that when the respondent answering these questions, what are the sources of income, they can take one or two or more than two answers. That's why you see the accumulated answers appear to be like this. Now for you to record it in the Excel, what you should do is you should each column, yeah, for each column here. Okay, I unhide. Yes, you should. Okay, every item. Okay, you should put in one column. We have just now, if we follow the list, the original list, we have PTPTN, that is government loan, JPA, government scholarship, MARA, and so on. Okay, you should do in the same arrangement, PTN, JPA, MARA, Yayasan Negeri Zakat. These are possible sources of income for a student, and the last one is others. In case we fail to capture any other sources, we put it under others. So here under this, what are the coding that we are going to use? The coding is use 1 for yes, 2 for no. For example, yeah, okay, this is, I'm going to move this, cut, I'm going to put it here, paste. Okay, for the first, this is the first respondent. Okay, he or she is receiving PTPTN, yes, 1. Okay, and then parents. So this one, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes, parents, and 2, and 2, and 2. Okay, then you go to the next respondent. Parents only. So meaning that all are 2. 2, you copy, you can extend it to the right. Okay, you can find parent 1. So refer next to the third, fourth, and so on. Okay, assuming I have finished doing the coding. Okay, these are the overall, okay, or the summary of the coding, okay, and the key in. Now I'm ready to transfer it into SPSS. So I open SPSS, yeah. When I open the SPSS, I have to do the setting first, add variable view. Okay, so I'm going to follow this by this order. So my first is PTPTN. It is, oh sorry, it should not be here. It should be at variable setting. PTPTN. Okay, type is, okay, we put numeric. Okay, now normally 8 by default, and then there is no decimal. Okay, the label here is PTPTN. Values, yes, this is categorical data, so we put values. 1 for yes, add, and 2 for no. And don't forget to press O. Okay. So other than PT, PTN, we have JPA, then we have MARA, and then we have Yayasan Yayasan Negeri, sorry, Yayasan Negeri, and then we have Zakat, that is religious contribution, parents, and then working part-time, working, and then investment, and finally others. Okay, so here let's read everything is numeric, and also let's copy everything, copy and put it here. Okay, edit, paste. Okay, now the issue here is that here also we want to share the same values here. So what we can do is, can we highlight all? Okay, paste. So they are using the same coding system. That is, what's the problem? If this is 1, this is 1.00, we check decimal. Okay, there won't be any decimal point. So this is, okay, we change the setting into 0 decimal point. Okay, then we are done. Okay, we have created the foundation of, okay, for you to cut and paste or copy and paste the data. Go back to our data. Okay, we highlight all the data that are readily coded, around 50 respondents, and then we copy, we minimize it, and then we paste. Okay, so here are our spreadsheet. Okay, so now what you should do for categorical data, this is not a continuous data but categorical. What you should do is you should analyze, descriptive, and frequency. Okay, what are the variables, the target variables you want to analyze? Okay, all the sources of income variables, we start with PTPTN, and then I want to go down. Okay, I want to go down to others, and then okay, I press shift, and then I click to others. It highlight everything I want here, and shift it to the right and press OK. What you will see here, it will give you the frequency table for PTPTN. Okay, 1 for yes, 2 for no. Those who answer yes, okay, the frequency is 23. 23 out of 49 is 46.9%. Okay, percent and valid percent appear to be okay equal in values, so you can get rid of what valid percent. Cumulative, that is this percent plus this percent, will give you this percent. So now it's time for you to do reporting. You can click one by one. Okay, you press control and then click another one, and so on. Okay, for your information, you can also click, okay, from this table. Okay, start with PTN, and then you press shift and others. You copy and send it or paste it to Word document. Okay, for Word document, okay, file, open a new document. Okay, this one, and paste okay all your tables. Now these expenses can be treated or can be presented in one table. So if I would do this, I cut this is for paste, okay, and this is JPA, I cut and I omit the valid and paste, and I do for one more, that is Mara, cut, I will put it over here and I paste. What I do, since everything here are types of sources of income, same issue, yeah, we can put them or report them in one table. So this one I don't need this one because I can use the upper one. So what I do, I highlight until it touches the last line of the box above, and then I delete, click, and okay, maybe I cut, so it will automatically get attached. Okay, same with Mara. Okay, okay, I highlight until it touches the last line here, and I cut, then it will automatically. Why Mara only one line? Because all the respondents responded to number 2. No, none of them received Mara. Okay, and this is yes, and agree. There are some figures here. Cut. Okay, I shall proceed a little bit more. Paste. Okay, and I'm going to omit all this, make it attach. Okay, and cut. See? Now, please make sure all the lines here are aligned. Okay, and what about this one? Also aligned. What about this one? Also aligned. If the whole column moved together, already aligned, and same with this. Now, the thing is that I want to omit this value percent. So what I do is I delete column. Okay, delete cells, the whole column. So here I'm having a table that lists out assuming all the items and uh, ready to be reported. Okay, so maybe you can create also a line here to tell this is see, the line is not the characteristic is different. This one is thinner. Okay, so what you can do to standardize is you click this. Okay, so everything now is standardized. So if you want to highlight total, you may highlight total. Okay, at least this line is separating. Okay, one item with another. Now, once we finish this, okay, we are ready for reporting. Okay, assume you have all the 7 or 9 items. Okay, you may start doing the reporting. Now, it is allowed, yeah, you may report, you accumulate everything in one table, okay, all the items in one table and do the reporting. You may also report per item, mean that you display the answer, okay, for each item, and you report by item. That also can be done. So that's all for today. That's all for this how to process and analyze of this type of categorical data. Okay, so all the best. Bye.